Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about OpenText Exstream developer vacancy. So guys, there is a vacancy for OpenText Exstream developer. So first I will tell you that there is two vacancies for that one. This is the for 3.5 years, 3 to 5 years, and second vacancy is for 5 to 8 years experienced people. So basically these vacancies are only for the experienced person. So who are watching freshers, they can ignore this video. Okay, so guys, there is third one that this is completely work from home. If there is any such kind of client visit, or you can say if any physical meeting happens, like most of the times if any client facing or some important meeting will be happening, so you have to be visit for the office. So what will be the office location? So this is based on Gurgaon, so near to Delhi. So you can connect if this requirement fulfill for you. So guys, the company name, if you can see here, Aspire. So this is the company which is hiring for the OpenText Extreme developer. So basically I have told this basic information. So how you will be applying for this job, what is the contact person. So you have to contact me on my Insta ID Vikas Teach. So already you will be seeing on my channel, if you'll go, so Vikas Teach, which is the name of my channel. With that I am available on Instagram, so you can contact over there. So I'll give the contact number plus email ID. So you have to share your resume over there. So I'll forward the details on Instagram. Either you can connect with me LinkedIn. So there is also same profile picture is available, which is currently on YouTube. So if you will be contacting me via LinkedIn or this Instagram, so I'll give you contact person name and email ID, so that you can share your CV or resume. So it will be helpful for you. So this is regarding the vacancy. So I am making community, so you can also join on LinkedIn. I have created a group that is also called OpenText Extreme group. So there also you can join, and if there is any vacancy or any study material related things, so we will be sharing over there itself. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can make this kind of videos in future as well. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.